January didn't go as planned. And if you're feeling like you already failed your 2026 goals, I need you to hear this. You didn't fail. January did. Think about it. The holidays just ended. Credit card bills came due. Everyone was exhausted, but pretending to be motivated. The entire internet was screaming, "New year, new you," while your bank account was still recovering from December. You set a budget in that chaos. You made goals when your brain was running on fumes. And by the 15th, it all fell apart. That's not a you problem. That's a timing problem. Here's the truth. January is the worst time to start a financial reset. You're broke from the holidays. You're tired. And you're surrounded by pressure to be perfect on day one. But February is different. The hype is gone. The pressure is off. Nobody is posting their vision boards anymore. It's quiet. And that quiet is exactly what you need. February is when real change happens. Not performative change, not Instagram-worthy resolutions. Real, sustainable systems built when no one is watching. This is your actual fresh start. So let's do this right. Not with some fantasy budget you'll abandon in 2 weeks. With a real audit of where your money is actually going. When's the last time you looked at every recurring charge, every subscription, every small fee, quietly draining your account? Most people have no idea. They set a budget based on what they think they spend, not what they actually spend, and that's why it never works. The Finance Reset Toolkit changes that. In 15 minutes, you see everything, every leak, every drain, every forgotten charge. Then you make decisions. This stays, this goes, this gets redirected to something that actually matters. No guilt, no shame, just clarity. And here's the best part. Once you see the truth, the system builds itself. You're not guessing anymore. You're not hoping. You're working with real numbers. The toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, a debt payoff planner, a savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that lets you simulate your financial future. Want to see what happens if you cancel 3 subscriptions and redirect that money to savings? Run the simulation. Want to see how fast you can pay off debt if you close a $50 leak? Watch the numbers change in real time. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being honest. And February is the perfect time to start. January was practice. February is the real reset. Link in the description to start yours. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.